Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Since summer's around the corner, that means you're going to be using your air conditioner a lot. So it's time to change that dirty cabin air filter. But if you change your cabin air filter and you still get this sour, musty, pungent smell coming out of your vents, I'm going to show you how to fix it with this product here. Here's the product. It's called Cool It. It's basically an evaporator and heater foam cleaner. This is the bottle, and it comes at a long tube that you feed through your system. It cleans everything out. I actually used this probably about 2 years ago on my wife's car, and it smells super fresh, and it did not harm any part of her car whatsoever. But before we can use this, let's take out the old cabin filter. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. It really helped my car and my wife's car smell super fresh. Hopefully it helps you out as well. If you liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.